Hey there, did you know the Earth gets hit by 173,000 terawatts of solar power every day? That's 10,000 times more than we humans use. Today let's dive into the world of solar energy and see how we can harness this incredible power source. First up, solar panels. They're made up of smaller units called cells, usually made from silicon. Silicon is a semiconductor, and it's the second most abundant element on Earth. A single solar cell has silicon sandwiched between conductive layers. The magic happens at the p-n junction, where electrons flow across, creating an electric field. When sunlight, or photons, hit these cells, they knock electrons loose. Thanks to that electric field, these electrons flow in one direction, creating a current. This current then flows through an external circuit, powering all sorts of devices. Pretty neat, right? Now each cell produces about half a volt of electricity. Cells are strung together into modules like 12-volt modules, and these modules can be combined to power a house. Solar panels are super durable too, no moving parts, and they can last for decades. But there are challenges. Sunlight isn't evenly distributed around the globe, and it's inconsistent because of weather and nighttime. Efficient energy storage is key to dealing with this intermittency. And while current commercial systems are only 15 to 20% efficient, the best systems can achieve up to 46% efficiency. There are also political and logistical hurdles. Large-scale solar farms need significant land. Think the Sahara Desert's 3 million square miles. Floating solar farms could be a game-changer too. Despite these challenges, solar power is making a difference. In many developing countries, it's already a safer and cheaper alternative to kerosene, providing reliable electricity to over 1 billion people. So the next time you see a sunny day, remember the incredible potential of solar energy. It's not just about powering our gadgets. It's about harnessing the power of the sun to create a brighter, cleaner future for all of us. Catch you next time.